I'm going to do a new painting, and this is just black, and I'm going to cover this whole thing in black. Alright, we'll get back to you shortly. It's acrylic. Alright, everything's dry. Acrylic. Right, got my little thing. Let each layer dry. I don't know. Alright, so everything's dry. The black is. Moist brush, a little bit of white, and we're just gonna go up in here and create the background for this. You see where it's already taking shape, right? And we're gonna create the trees and bushes just from doing that. Alright, hang on. You see what I'm talking about? Uh-huh. Come on back there. I know, right? Woo! Hang on. Gather some things and load up a truck. Get off the blacktop, throw a lot of mud. Build a big fire by the creek side. Hold my baby in the firelight. Flip up a lid on some moonshine.